Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you unblock someone from Snapchat. So let's just go to Snapchat app. Here you can see in the top left your profile icon. Click on it. Now just click on in the top right settings icon. After going to your settings icon, you need to scroll down to the last. Now in the last you can see the fourth option, blocked. Click on it. Here you can see the persons whom you blocked. Now click on the cross button. Here you can see, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? Click on yes. So guys, this is how can you unblock someone from your Snapchat. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.